giant steps for dairy development in Odisha. Odisha, under the visionary leadership of Chief Minister Shri Mohan Charan Majhi, has taken a historical step in introducing Mukhyamantri Kamdhenu Yojana, the much sought after dairy development program in the state.
मत्स्य और प्राणी संपद विभाग जो अच्छी से विभाग मध्य चाषींकर उन्नति पाई से बजेट रे सेतिपाई ए वर्ष रेकर्ड परिमाण व्यवस्था करिसंती 1895 कोटी रु अधिक टंका रखिसंती सेतिपाई मध्य योजना करा हेछि मुख्यमंत्री कामधेनु योजना आउ सेथिरे गोपालन सहित कृषकर जीवन किभଳି भाबरे आगको बढ़िबो सेतिपाई संपूर्ण भाबरे एहाको अंगांगी भाबरे जड़ित करिकरी संपूर्ण भाबरे चाषींकर उन्नति पाई मध्य एथिरे व्यवस्था करा जाइछि.
With a 360-degree approach for dairy development, Mukhyamantri Kamdhenu Yojana involves every important aspect of dairying like cow and buffalo induction, female calf rearing, fodder cultivation and insurance of the milch animals. The state is leaping forward with ambitious target of doubling milk production in the next 5 years. With up to 70% financial assistance for cow and buffalo rearing, the state government is striking a chord with rural dairy farmers in providing them livelihood and multiplying their income. With prudent planning of the new government, Mukhyamantri Kamdhenu Yojana is bringing revolutionary changes in milk production in the state. In a bid to connect directly with farmers and consumers, OMFED has unveiled a range of innovative dairy offerings including desi ghee, powdered milk and the highly sought after A2 milk. Sourced exclusively from Odisha's indigenous Binjapuri breed, A2 milk is celebrated for its nutritional richness and digestibility and is now available across OMFED's marketing channels. This initiative not only promotes local breeds but also strengthens the state's dairy value chain through quality, authenticity, and farmer empowerment. In a major stride towards public health resilience, Odisha has successfully established a state-of-the-art GMP-certified vaccine production laboratory, marking a significant step in achieving self-sufficiency in bacterial vaccine manufacturing. Building on this success, a second GMP facility is now being set up in Berhampur, dedicated to the production of critical vaccines against anthrax and enterotoxemia. This expansion reinforces the state's commitment to livestock health, disease prevention, and indigenous vaccine innovation. To enhance dairy productivity and empower livestock farmers, the government of Odisha is actively promoting the use of sex-sorted semen technology for producing female calves. This initiative is backed by a generous 75% subsidy across the state, with a 100% subsidy in mineral-bearing districts, ensuring inclusive access and targeted support where it's needed most. The state government has engaged around 2,000 A-Health personnel for providing livestock healthcare and extension services in rural pockets of the state. To deliver livestock healthcare services in remote pockets, 314 mobile veterinary units are operational in each block of the state. To strengthen disease diagnosis for optimum livestock productivity, disease diagnosis laboratories are functional in each district equipped with modern testing equipment for quick diagnosis. The state government is committed to animal welfare in its approach. A dedicated animal helpline with toll-free number 1962 is working 24/7 to provide emergency healthcare services to stray and destitute animals across the state. Besides, televeterinary service with video calling facility delivers advisory services to livestock farmers of the state by a team of expert veterinary doctors. With its growing potential in animal resources development sector, Odisha has successfully organized monsoon meet of Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairying, Government of India. A comprehensive IEC strategy has been designed with inclusive approach to reach every farmer in an effective way, even in the most remote areas. Capacity building through trainings and exposure visits for farmers, paravets, and veterinarians of the state promote wider adoption of best practices in animal husbandry sector and improved farm management. A separate Fisheries and Animal Resources Development Fair, popularly known as Matsya Prani Samavesh, is being organized at state level as a mega event to showcase advanced technologies for their adoption by livestock farmers. Matsya O Prani Sampad Mela has also been organized at district level in the same line, with a footfall exceeding 6 lakh farmers, entrepreneurs, WSHGs, traders, and stakeholders engaging through a buyer-seller platform. The Mela has emerged as a powerful conduit for information dissemination and outreach. Its success has catalyzed to a wider adoption of schemes and programs, ensuring inclusive access and targeted engagement of farming communities. To ensure transparency in scheme implementation and timely distribution of financial assistance to farmers, digital initiatives like Go Sugam and Decision Support System have become the game changers in animal resources development sector in the state. Go Sugam enabled the farmers to apply for schemes and get financial assistance through online mode without visiting veterinary institutions. The state government introduced an innovative on-call artificial insemination program where the dairy farmers are getting artificial insemination services through a phone call sitting at the comfort of their homes. This on-call AI pilot initiated in Puri district has been scaled to 10 districts currently and planned to move across all 30 districts shortly. With all these activities, Fisheries and Animal Resources Development Department of the state government is continuously making strides in successful implementation of government programs for economic development of livestock farmers.